by the way of high seas, the forest trees, and the western breeze. Flash, Mrs. Panda of the giant pandas was presented with a bundle of joy early this morning. It's a baby boy. Be back in a flash with more trash.
A baby at the pandas. Let's go see it.
A baby at the pandas. Let's go see it.
Mama. The pandas have a baby boy. The pandas have a baby boy.
So what? What's that? A baby panda? My.
Baby panda in the world. Darling, hold it for a still.
What's his name?
They ain't named him yet. He ain't got no name.
Let's name him Elmer.
No.
Jack, Jim, Joe,
Bill.
Butch.
How about
Call him Wilbur. Yes, sir. Wilbur's the name.
Quiet. I'm going to call him Andy. Andy Panda. Andy Panda, that's a good name.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Andy Panda. Yes, that sounds great.
That's a swell name.
I still insist that Wilbur is a pretty name. Hiya, fellas. Am I late?
It's Snuffy Skunk.
Let me Flash, Andy Panda is now 6 months old and has grown to be quite a problem child. I still think Andy ought to be called Wilbur.
Andy, come with Pop and we go for a nice long walk in the woods.
Why?
So you can get acquainted with Mother Nature.
Where does Mother Nature live?
She lives in this great big forest.
In a house?
No, not in a house.
In a tree?
No, not in a tree.
Oh, Playboy, huh?
In a cave?
No, she hasn't no place to live. What's the matter now? What are you crying for?
'Cause Mother Nature ain't got no places to live.
She lives every place.
Like your relatives, Daddy?
Watch out, Andy. Get back in the forest.
Daddy, are you screwy?
Yes, no, I'm not screwy. But don't you ever dare step out of this forest.
Why?
Because if you get out into the open, the panda hunters will capture you and put you in the newsreel.
What's a newsreel, Daddy?
Never mind. But just don't you ever dare step out of this forest.
I'm gonna be in a newsreel.
Andy, come back. Oh, Andy, come back. Yeah, for goodness sake. Oh, Andy, the panda hunters will get you now.
I'm gonna be in a newsreel. To see you, Daddy.
It's a hunters. Get me out quick.
Really?
Yes, really.
Hey, I mean Flash, clear all wires. The panda hunters are here. They're after Andy. Go to the rescue. Come on. They got Wilbur. They got Andy. Get going, Pete. Get going, Yakko. On the foot! Oh, a wise guy, huh? You can't do that. You can't do that.
Mama, they got Woody! They got Woody!
My baby! My Andy! Ah!
Mama!
Trying to steal my Andy, eh? Take that! And that! And that! And that!
Quote. Unquote.
So you rescued your papa. Now you can have anything you want.
Anything, Daddy?
Yes, anything.
I want to be in a newsreel.
No!
I'm going to get you. I'm going to fix you, too. Come on back here. This ain't no shell game.